Folks, today I'm going to be showing you our newest Cardinal. It's a Cardinal Explorer 322 DS. Let's go inside, take a look at some of the features inside, and then we'll come back to the exterior. It does have the new stable steps, very nice. Easy entry. Beautiful coach and very moderately priced. This coach is a rear living coach, has the nice fireplace, big screen TV. It's a wide body coach, so you have the full sleeper in the back. This turns into a queen bed. The recliners, theater seating recliners. You've got microwave oven, gas oven and grill top. It's got great storage. Nice peninsula kitchen, big sink, nice stainless steel sink, faucet with pull-out sprayer. You got great pantry here. This coach we ordered with the electric, full electric refrigerator, residential style, French door. Can also be ordered with the gas electric. Over on this side you've got great storage, two full banks of drawers, storage underneath your sink, and another bank of drawers right here. Let's go ahead and also, you've got solid counter surfaces on your kitchen island or peninsula. It's got a great entry coat closet. Your fan center is right here. Notice there's no carpet on the steps. Porcelain toilet, linen storage above the toilet. Nice tub, shower. And of course, more linen storage in here. And a mirror above the sink. It's got the king size bed. You do have some storage underneath the bed for blankets. Nice set of drawers over here. Storage, more storage right here alongside your wardrobe. It is plumbed for a washer dryer. You've got your two additional folding chairs for your dining area. More storage over here. All LED lighting, of course. It's pre-wired for a bedroom TV. And you've got a nice handrail to go down your stairs, which is real nice to have. On the exterior, it's got a nice large awning, electric power. It's aluminum bonded construction. Really nice. People enjoy this a lot. It's got the outdoor kitchen area, hot and cold running water with an electric refrigerator, and of course storage above. This has got the 6-point level up system on it. It's got the ladder for access to your roof. Your docking station with your winter bypass and water bypass, outside shower, all located right there. And this is nice to have your auto level up system on the outside for easy access. You've got propane on both sides of the coach. One tank over here automatically switches over to the other side over here. And this is, of course, a mount for an exterior TV if you'd like to have one out here for watching the football game. Your second entry for your belly compartment storage. Folks, this is the entry level for the Cardinal. Once again, priced very nicely. And we also have the Cardinal in the Luxury Edition and the Estate. Please drop by and see us here at Guarantee RV. My name is Rich White. You can reach me at 541-521-8914. Thank you for your time.